Alright, so here is a fully sealed brand new hard drive I got from Seagate. 3 years is what the one lasted. I had to ship it in because it showed an error message. Look at this. I should keep this box. It's sealed. Has the serial number on it. It came from Thailand. So I better keep the box. And then I'm going to open this. And I'm going to replace it in here. And before I do so, I'm going to check the part number on this one. The serial number. If it's not the same as the one I sent in. And then we see what happens. Oh, it said recertified product on top. So it's a recertified product, so it can't be mine. Okay, so I put this here on the side. And then I'm going to open this box. This is a Costco, bought at Costco, a Lorex. And I'm gonna do this here. There's 6 screws on here to get the top off. Here. Six of them. They're all the same size. What makes it easy later when you want to put it together. You know where each one is. Here, and then we need to get those screws loose. We don't remove them all the way, but we give them like a few rounds here, like this. Now we have to be careful. Oh. Get the lid off. I'm going to put this here. There is a Western Digital in here. Push on the button here and pull out. Push and pull. And then here we lift it up. And then I need those screws. Now, I had a regular drive in here that gets super hot when it's used like this. So it's recommended to have a drive that is made for this. So this one I don't need anymore. This is just temporary. I'm gonna open this one. See, recertified. Looks good to me. Seagate. October 2018. 8 October 2018. DOM June 2016. Product of Thailand. Okay. Need to insert my screws again, 4 of them. This is all pretty easy job. You don't drop this thing. You don't touch any contacts, any electronic parts. You avoid the touch. And then plug this back in. There's one. There's two. Push it down here. Over this way. And I want to take a picture for my own use here. And I know what's in there. Okay, and then I'm gonna screw this in. Here. Here. There. And then we need the lid back on. This is all still working. Here. And there we go with our screws. 6 screws again. One. 2. 3. 4. Then on the side here, screw 5 and 6. Alright, so that's how easy it was. Now we just have to plug it back in and then it is gonna work again.